Charity 18. In a long narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 2616, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, described some important deeds which Muslims must strive to perform. One of things mentioned is that charity extinguishes sins like water extinguishes fire. A similar narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 664, advises that charity extinguishes the anger of Allah, the Exalted, and protects a Muslim from an evil death. An evil death is when a person dies after losing their faith, meaning, as a non-Muslim. There is no loss greater than this. This is possibly why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned in a narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 1961, that a stingy person is far from Allah, the Exalted, far from the people, far from paradise, and close to hell. Muslims should take note and strive to give as much charity as possible. As charity in Islam encompasses so many different physical actions, such as smiling at someone to make them feel safe, which is advised in a narration found in Jami at-Tirmizi, number 1956, no Muslim can excuse themselves from giving charity abundantly. In addition, as Allah the Exalted observes the quality of a deed over its quantity, one must therefore persist on acts of charity, even if they are small. In fact, Allah the Exalted loves the deeds that are regular, even if they are small in size. This has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 6464. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 271.
If you disclose your charitable expenditures, they are good, but if you conceal them and give them to the poor, it is better for you, and He will remove from you some of your misdeeds thereby.